and gentlemen, they are plugging in and on the line. They're making some last-minute technical adjustments. HazardFactory versus Black Rock City Hardware, folks, for the first ever head-to-head competition between two friendly teams. Our very own Divide coming forward to mix us a fresh, tasty beverage. He's got duct tape for the lid, folks. You know what that means. They totally thought about this before they came out. Black Rock City Hardware, do you have anything to say to our own HazardFactory here? After working so hard in the pits, do you feel like you're going to get your justice?
I like this one.
You guys are all a bunch of sissies. Let's see what you got to say, HazardFactory. Devise, you got any sweet words while you're getting your margarita mixology going on here?
He's gonna bite.
He's thirsty.
Oh, really?
Everybody is, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, that looks delicious.
There's some guy driving out.
Ladies and gentlemen, we need to know, liquefy, crush, or blend? Ladies and gentlemen, blend is the decision. Oh, Divide is going to do shred. They're on the line. I'm going to shut the hell up and get the drinking on. 3,